Hello everyone, welcome back to another class. Today I'll be starting a new topic, that is science. Science shuru kuru, and I've already completed history. History completed, and aptitude, general aptitude also finished. Polity also completed. You can check it out in the videos, and if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comments below. And also the admit card for NSSB has been out, so you can download the admit card. And if you have any issues with your admit card, you can contact NSSB office before it is too late. So let us start general science. General science lesson number 1, Shurugro, general science. And general science, so we'll do in MCQ format, which will be helpful for your exam also, and some additional information for your exam. So let us start the class. First question, light year is kiasa. It is number 1, the time which sunrise take to reach the earth. Number 2, the year in which February is 29 days. The number 3, the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Or number 4, the time in which the spacecraft reached moon from the earth. So the answer is what? Distance traveled by earth 1 year. Light la speed to kimana juglo do 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second aja. Light la speed to. Next, question number 2. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Nautical miles is naval unit of naval distance. Decibel is unit of sound intensity. Horsepower is unit of power. Or Celsius unit of heat. So Celsius is unit of heat. So answer is Celsius unit of heat. It is not unit of heat, it is temperature. Temperature from the SI unit of temperature is what? Temperature SI unit is it is Kelvin aja. So formula to ke do suppose the Celsius to Fahrenheit convert korle. Fahrenheit convert korle do Celsius is equal to F minus 32 into 5 by 9. So this is the formula for Celsius to Fahrenheit. So that is the formula for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. So for example, in a koi temperature Fahrenheit to koi 40 Fahrenheit na to ido what will be the degree in Celsius? That is Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. That is Fahrenheit to 40 minus 32 into 5 by 9. That means 40 minus 32 kimano 8 into 5 by 9. So 40 by 9. That is kimano 49. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36 inga. So 4.4 degrees Celsius. So like this, you use the formula F minus 32 into 5 by 9. Similarly, suppose Celsius dina ki 100 degrees Celsius. So ido convert kurishibule do yede dalive simply 100 is equal to F minus 32 into 5 by 9. Goshikule do cross multiply kore 100 into 9 is equal by 5 is equal to F minus 32. So into 5 was there. So ido kina kuro ido 5 how much 100. 5 to the 10, that means 20 into 9 is 9 to the 18, 180 is equal to F minus 32. So it will be 180 plus 32 is equal to F. So 180 plus 32 किमान होगा 258. That is 212. So the answer is 212. Got this? Formula Jolabi, that is, what is the formula? To convert Celsius into Fahrenheit is what? Formula though? That is C is equal to F minus 32 into 5 by 9 as. Next. So SI unit to temperature to Kelvin as, heat usually the joule as, sound usually the decibel as, distance usually meter as, and power is equal to watt as or joules per second. Next, match the following: acceleration, force, work done, or impulse. Acceleration is acceleration is change in velocity by time as. So acceleration though meter per second square, that is A is 4. Force though kiwo tela SI unit to Newton as. Work done is equal to it will be joule, and impulse is Newton into Newton second. So formula size to first acceleration decay to change in velocity by time. So change in velocity is meter per second as, r divided by time to second as. So meter per second r to s to over into 1 by so, that is meter by second square. So in it will be meter per second square as acceleration. Got this? Second case force la formula is mass into acceleration as mass to kg as acceleration to meter per second square. So force la formula kg into meters per second square as, or simply Newton bhi koi dege. Got this? Next work done is equal to force by time and impulse is equal to force into time. Impulse is equal to, for example, to एक hammer ले जाए, तो hammer एक ले जाए और तो लोहा एक strike करे जाए, तो किमान fast पर strike करे तो itu क्या impulse को है. Got this? So the option is A is for B3, C1 and D2. So option D is. Number 4. An iron ball and wooden ball of same radius is released from ground H. Which two balls in vacuum which two balls will take time to reach the ground? So ekta jaka jenga or upor ba ekta ball ase aro ekta wooden ball dita ase, ekta do steel ase aro ekta do wood ase. So idu dita vacuum ase means air nai. So air na shikle to idu dita ki ho, idu dita since hawa nai to air resistance nai. So air resistance na darne dita to ekilo te namiwo. Next, aro air resistance ki jogle to air resistance la concept ke jogle to simply the word pa janiwe air resistance means kita saman ekta opor ba niche girai hawa to idu tai girala against tako, that means tai air resistance is hawa to taila idu object na side pa resist kuro, so they get air resistance mate. And heavier the object, more will be the air resistance. Next, what is the unit of atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure la unit is a bar. Pressure is equal to force by area. Ardo pas ek the Pascal bhi koi dege atmospheric pressure. pressure ke Pascal koi or atmospheric pressure ke bar koi. Next farad. The unit of farad is capacitance. Unit of resistance to ohm made ohm. Next question number 8. A swinging pendulum has a maximum acceleration at kise ekta swinging pendulum inga suppose the clock. If you see in the clock in the pendulum to tai yedeba upar niche hinga kore. So the maximum acceleration do kudigo at the extreme point, that means yede. So it will be the extreme of the swing. Next, which one of the following is a unit of measure of thickness of the ozone layer? Atmosphere to ozone layer do dopson ba koi. Ozone layer to kudi by stratosphere koi. It is found in the stratosphere. So layers of atmosphere ki ke jokle do first to troposphere ja mati la sorte ta khoda. Next to stratosphere ja. It is the mesosphere ja. It is the ionosphere. Or next to exosphere. Ionosphere mon alag naam bhi mate, thermosphere bhi mate. Thermosphere. Or coldest region because mesosphere है. Mesosphere है coldest temperature coldest region है because यदे क्या को temperature inversion तो दिखे. Next, the SI unit of electrical resistance से आके दे electrical resistance of a conductor is ohm. Actually this ohm, but option the ohm meter, so we will write this ohm meter. Next, 1 micron is equal to how much? 10 to the raised to minus 6 centimeter. Sorry, it will not be 10 to the raised to minus 6. This one will be meter. So 10 raised to meter. 10 raised to minus 6 meters. Actually the answer will be 10 raised to minus 4 centimeters. So in meter it will be 10 raised to minus 6 meter. So 1 micron is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter or 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter. So this is the answer. The barrel of oil contains 159 liters. What is the measure of cubic? Cubic it is the flow of water. Next, match the following. What is what? Watt, Tesla, Coulomb and Candela. So Coulomb to electrical charge C is 1 and Candela is luminous intensity, Tesla is magnetic field and Watt is power. So it is A 2, B Tesla do magnetic field, C Coulomb is electrical charge and D it is Candela. So Candela is luminous intensity 3. So 2 4 1 3. It is answer 2 4 1 3. It is 2 less one. Next, at higher altitude, what happens? At higher altitude, the boiling point decreases. So the answer is boiling point decreases. So the concept is for example, suppose this is Koima. You are living at high altitude, 1444 meter, and below it is Dimapur, which is a relatively plain area. Suppose the water boil kore. Suppose this is Koima, or the water boil kore. The water boil kore. So because atmospheric pressure like pressure of the atmosphere, so upor ba ayo pressure aro Dimapur de ayo. So as compared to Kohima, which is at almost top the thagane atmospheric pressure kom digo. Because of that, la boiling point decrease jo. Since Dimapur do nichi deze do atmospheric pressure high ho to itu overcome gule boiling point be increase jo. So the boiling point of a water decreases in higher altitudes. In which of the following situation a chemical reaction does not occur? So chemical reaction could know coal the burn jawa, iron the moisture regular the corrosion jawa, sodium placed in water reaction jawa. So common salt exposed to air means how are they no problem. Question number 16. Which of the following is used in the preparation of antiseptic solution? Antiseptic the key July, iodine July. Next, blue vitriol. Blue vitriol the case it is copper sulfate. CuS of copper sulfate. Okay. Blue vitriol mate. What is the term used to denote the critical temperature at which air becomes saturated with vapor and below which the condensation is likely to occur? So it is at dew point temperature. Next, the process in which is used to separate oil and water is what? It is separating funnel. Distillation do evaporation ba purify gorala, sublimation do directly solid ba gas they convert gorala. This is called sublimation. In which of the following kerosene refinery products has the lowest boiling point? So it is gasoline. Component of gobar gas to keze methane as a gobar gas there. Gobar gas to keze methane as a and carbon dioxide there. Methane do 55% or gobar do 45 carbon dioxide do 45% inga. While to weld metals together, high temperature is required. So such a high temperature is obtained by burning acetylene in oxygen. Means oxygen do acetylene to oxygen to burn gurida ido temperature high means high temperature obtained kore, and this is used for smelting and for joints etc. for welding karne. Next, match the following: CNG, coal gas, LPG and water gas. Compressed natural gas, coal gas, LPG. So first A, compressed natural gas to keze. So LPG we know it is made up of propane and butane. So C will be 2. Water gas pani de keze, that is carbon monoxide and hydrogen over. And coal gas will be hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide, and CNG is methane and ethane. So the answer is A3, B2, B4, C2 and D1. Next, which of the following is lighter than water? It is what? Sodium. Deionized water is produced by key ion exchange reagents process. These days, yellow lamps are frequently used as street lamps. The street lamps, the yellow color light to the sodium light as. Which is the hardest metal? Among the following, the platinum as will be hardest natural substance to keze. Hardest natural substance though it is diamond as. And heaviest element the case heaviest element by mass though it is osmium. Which one of the following is called stranger gas? Stranger gas is xenon. Stranger gas the case though. Why it is called stranger gas? Because why xenon is called stranger gas? Because unlike ido neon, argon, ido nishna, they are called this neon, argon, they are called noble gases. So noble gas kando they are chemically they are stable. So stable they do not react easily with other elements. However, xenon ektaji ketai react crush even though he is a noble gas. So this is why xenon do ki karne koi stranger gas mate. Buckminster fullerene the carbon 60 pe mate C60. Carbon 60 the you must have seen football there. So each to carbon atom ba loinaje containing 60 carbon atom idige Buckminster fullerene pe mate ido carbon la allotrope ase. So allotropes carbon allotropes first the graphite ase allotrope to it is diamond ase aro ekta to fullerene bi mate fullerene idu. So graphite to it is used as lubricant ase aro lubricant dike jokle to machine kan chola tamde dike smooth banawle lubricant chole aro it is also used in lead pencil mon pencil chole. So lead pencil, it is not made up of lead, it is made up of graphite, and diamond, as we know, it is the hardest natural substance. Next question, the lubricant used for heavy machines, I have already told you, it is graphite. The most important metal used to make rust free is chromium aro zinc kan metal the plate kore diki ko galvanization. Next, which of the following metals do not form amalgam? Amalgam the iron ase. Amalgam diki basically any metals reacting with mercury is called amalgam. So which metal forming with mercury is called amalgam, except for iron aro iron do de aro alag alag to platinum be ekta. Platinum is also a metal that does form amalgam. Tungsten be ekta je. Tungsten to kude jokle to mon electric bulb de edu metal cholo to tungsten ase. And tantalum kona ekta je edu be metal amalgam form nokore. Which metal exists as a common component in brass, copper, and German silver? It is copper. Brass, bronze, and German silver. It is copper. So brass the copper or zinc ase, and bronze to copper or tin ase. Remember this. In brass it is copper and zinc, and in bronze it is copper and tin. Next, by what alum cleans the muddy water? So alum do itu letra pani dikina sapo kore through coagulation. Coagulation means letra kan jama korna lump banala. Means for example itu muddy water ase. Ede letra bishi ase. So alum dalishi kule to ede letra kan to jama hojo into big lumps. This is known as coagulation. Next, question number 35. Which of the following is not an alloy? Alloy dike jokle to copper ase. Bronze to copper and tin ase. Steel to carbon plus ki koi iron plus magnesium ingata kana idu steel de. Brass to copper and zinc ase. Next, question number 36. German silver dike jokle to solder, bleaching powder, and hypo. So calcium hypochlorite mate de hypo ge. So first solder mon idu iron solder brother it ki jola, it is used for tin. And bleaching powder dike jokle to it is chlorine, and hypo is what? Sodium hypochlorite, and last is German silver, it is nickel. So it is 2413 hypo the case to sodium. So sorry, it is not calcium hypochlorite, it is sodium thiosulfate as hypo to sodium thiosulfate Na2S2O3, it is sodium thiosulfate. Next, easily soluble in water is ammonia to NH3. To make the steel hard requires increase in carbon la quantity increase kushile the steel la hardness be increase. Next, question number 39. Which of the following process is used for transforming salty water into pure is what? Reverse osmosis. mon etu water filter kante water filter etu kiki company kala machine de if dirty water goes in then clean drinking water comes out aru etu process to ta ki kore kile to ekta process to reverse osmosis ase. Next, the last question is the discharge of nitrogen causes what? So it causes an increase in nitrogen in the atmosphere and atmosphere remains unchanged. So nitrogen to means earth the highest quantity as a nitrogen, it is the oxygen as a, and remaining are carbon dioxide, methane, etc. So nitrogen consists of the highest in the atmosphere. So with this the first class on general science has been completed. I hope you all have understood something. I'll be continuing this series until your exam. So all the best for your exam, and we'll meet you guys in the next class. Thank you.